Today we have to solve this number. Last time we had bearing, and today we are seeing that we have distance, calculating the distance. Let's first read this question and we see what it wants us to do. The question says, a motorist traveled from town M to town K at a speed of 75 kilometers per hour for 2 hours. The motorist stopped to have lunch at town K for 1 hour and then continued to town L for another 3 hours. The average speed of the motorist for the whole journey was 55 kilometers per hour. Calculate the total distance. Calculate the distance from town K to town L. So this question, in some cases, you may find it in a graph. But for this time, we don't have a graph. So we can draw a sketch drawing for this journey. They have talked about 3 towns, M, K, and L. So let's first draw our sketch drawing of this journey. We are going to represent 3 towns. There is town M, and this is town M, and it's where it started from. A motorist traveled from town M. Let's say this is town M. To town K, this is town K. They told us the speed was 75 kilometers per hour, 75 kilometers per hour for 2 hours. The motorist stopped to have lunch at town K. It means here he spent another 1 hour. Then the motorist continued to town L. It means this is our town L for 3 hours. And we don't have the speed. So since we have the speed for town M to town K, we can get the distance between here. The distance between town K and town M. And how are we going to get the distance? There is a triangle we can use. There's this triangle we can use. You draw your triangle and you divide it into 3. We are going to represent here distance, and here speed, and here time. So if I want to get the distance, I just get speed times time. When I want speed, I get distance over time. So in this case, I want the distance because I have the speed and time. So what is the distance between town M and town K? And how are we going to get it? You just get the formula distance equals to speed times time. What is our speed? Our speed was 75 kilometers per hour, then times 2 hours, and it's our time. 75 times 2, we get 150. But 150 what? Distance is measured in kilometers. 150 kilometers. So since we know the distance from here up to here, and they are telling us to calculate the distance from town K to town L, they gave us the average speed. Average speed of the whole journey, which is 55 kilometers per hour. So we are going to use this average speed to get the distance here, because we have the total hours, and we are looking for what? For only distance between this town K and town L. So what is the formula of getting average speed? Average speed equals, you come back on our triangle. Where is speed? So to get speed is just distance over time, but for the case of average speed, it is just total distance over total time taken. We have our average speed, which is 55 kilometers per hour. So giving us the total distance. What is our distance? we only know the distance between town M and town K. We don't know this one, this distance between town K and town L, and it's what we are looking for. So we add our total distance. We know very well that from town M to town K we are having 150 kilometers. Then plus this distance between here, let us let it and we give it a name, maybe D, over total time. Total time it is 2 hours plus 1, then plus 3, giving us 6. So we can solve this one. We can multiply by 6 on both sides, and we remain with 55 times 6, we are getting 330, giving us 150 plus D equals to 150 plus D. Then we can solve to get the value of D. Let us get the value of D. We can arrange our equation. 150 plus D will give us 330. So we take 150 on the other side, we remain with D. We are getting 330 minus 150. Distance will remain 180 kilometers. So therefore, the distance between town K to town L is just 180 kilometers. So we have to get our trial number. We have to get our trial number here. And here, let's get our trial number. We are going to do number 31, which says a motorist traveled from Jinja to Mityana at a speed of 80 kilometers per hour for 4 hours. He then continued to Kasese, covering further 300 kilometers at a speed of 50 kilometers per hour. Then they are saying, calculate the motorist's average speed for the whole journey. So this is the trial number 31. Let's solve it. Tomorrow we are solving number 29. Don't forget that one.